I audible to all? Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
So,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon. Let us wait for join some others. Then we are starting this class. So we are waiting for 1 or 2 minutes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. We are just waiting for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start our class. Your second semester is started.
No, sir.
Not yet. Okay. Just wait for just 1 minute. Then we start our class. Today we going to start our class for the multiple angle. Already compound angle, some problems was going on, and the formulas are given to you. So today we are starting the multiple angle. Okay. Only the 24 people are here. Where is the other student? Hello.
सर ज्वाइन कर रहा होगा.
सर साउंड नहीं आ रहा सर.
साउंड नहीं आ रहा है. रुको हम. Am I audible to all right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Wait just 1 minute to start the Microsoft whiteboard. Wait for just 1 minute to open the Microsoft whiteboard. So we shall sharing our screen. No, it is working. It will be open right now. Wait for just 1 minute. It will be open for some more. Okay, we are going for the screen sharing. That is the Microsoft Whiteboard, is it? Okay, so today we start the new thing, that is the multiple angle. Multiple angles. Is my screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos of 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now, if we take that all part in the sine, then we can write that cos square theta minus sin square theta can be written 1 minus cos square theta. Then it is cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta. Then it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2 theta can be written cos square theta minus sin square theta. Otherwise, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Otherwise, we can write down this cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. Then it will be sin square theta. Then it will be 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. That is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So cos 2 theta can be written either cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is the main thing. Otherwise, this can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Otherwise, we can write down 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Now again, sine 2 theta, it can be written in terms of tan theta, that is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and cos 2 theta also can be write into the form of tan theta is equal to tan square theta minus 1 by tan square theta plus 1. Sorry, actually it is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. One minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So these are the basic formulas for our multiple angle. Now we have to prove that this one, right? Main thing is the 2 sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, and cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Yes, sir.
we are going for the next slide. That is proof of sine 2 theta equal to sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Proof. We know that sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Putting a equal to b equal to theta in above equation, we get, so sine a means theta plus b means theta is equal to sine a means theta cos b means theta plus cos a means theta sin b means theta, or from here, sorry, sine of 2 theta equal to here sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. Proved. किसी का प्रॉब्लम है समझने में?
यस सर, सेकंड लाइन में कैसे गए फिर से समझाइए.
Second line,
यस सन
it
थीटा
is
प्लस थीटा.
we are putting that a equal to theta, b equal to theta in this equation. ऊपर का जो इक्वेशन है उसमें a and b both are putting as theta. So a is equal to theta sin theta, b equal to theta, that is also theta. Sin a means sin theta, cos b means cos theta, plus cos a means cos theta, sin b means sin theta. So here theta plus theta means sin 2 theta. Here sin theta cos theta, this is also sin theta cos theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. Clear?
सर नहीं समझ में आया, एक बार
यस
फिर
सर.
से समझा दीजिए यार।
कहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आया बताओ?
सर ये वाला, सर ये लास्ट वाला लाइन की जो ऊपर वाला लाइन है ना, उसमें
कौन सा वाला लाइन बोलो?
वाला साइन थीटा वाला।
जस्ट ए मिनट। ये वाला
इसके
ये
ऊपर
वाला
वाला सर, ऊपर वाला
ये
सर,
ये
इसके ऊपर वाला।
इसके ऊपर वाला कौन है? ये तो लास्ट है। इसके ऊपर में तो कुछ नहीं है।
सर लास्ट में पॉइंटर रखे हैं,
ये
लास्ट लाइन में।
ये तो लास्ट लाइन है।
हाँ सर, इसके ऊपर वाला,
ये वाला
इसके ऊपर वाला लाइन सर।
ये
यस सर।
तो वी
हाँ
आर
वही वाला।
पुटिंग, हाँ यहाँ पे हम लोग पुट किया है ए इक्वल टू थीटा बी इक्वल टू थीटा इस इक्वेशन में। ये ऊपर वाला जो इक्वेशन है यहाँ पे ए इक्वल टू भी थीटा और बी इक्वल टू भी थीटा पुट किया, तब ये इक्वेशन से ये वाला आया। देखो अभी
यस सर।
अभी समझ में आया। ए के जगह में भी थीटा, बी
Yes,
के
sir,
जगह
yes,
में भी
sir.
थीटा पुट कर दिया।
यस सर। इसके बाद
इसके बाद थीटा प्लस थीटा दैट इज साइन टू थीटा। एंड इधर में साइन ए की जगह में ए का मतलब थीटा है तो साइन थीटा हो गया, बी का मतलब थीटा है तो कॉस थीटा हो गया। यहाँ पे कॉस ए का मतलब थीटा तो कॉस थीटा हो गया, बी का मतलब थीटा तो साइन थीटा हो गया। तो ये साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा, उसका मतलब 2 साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा।
ठीक है।
Another thing we write down that cos of 2 theta is equal to cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। ये हम लोग लिखे थे, इसका प्रूफ होगा। Here also we know that cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Putting a equal to b equal to theta in above equation we get, so it will be given cos a का मतलब है थीटा प्लस b का मतलब थीटा, यहाँ से यहाँ आ रहा है a का मतलब थीटा, so it will be given that cos theta again theta, b का मतलब थीटा है so that is also cos theta माइनस a का मतलब थीटा है तो sin theta into b का मतलब थीटा है तो sin theta. So here cos theta into cos theta means we can go for here. So cos of theta plus theta means cos 2 theta. Now here cos theta into cos theta means cos square theta minus sin theta into sin theta sin square theta. ये समझ में आया? देखो किसी का दिक्कत है तो बताओ। We are just using the compound angle, that is sin of a plus b. Instead of this sin of a plus b, at first we are writing the value of sin of a plus b, that is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now we are putting a b both are theta. Then we got sin of theta plus theta equal to sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Then sin 2 theta is coming 2 sin theta cos theta. Now again for cos of 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So we know that cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now again putting a b both equal to theta in above equation, then we got cos of theta plus theta equal to cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. That is in the left hand side it is cos of 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. It was our proof. है समझ में? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay, then we are going for next part, that is tan of 2 theta. It was given that tan of 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Proof. We know that tan of a plus b What is the formula of tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, right? Now putting A equal to B equal to theta in the above equation, we get tan of A means theta plus B means theta is equal to tan of A means tan of theta plus tan of B means tan of theta by 1 minus tan A means tan theta, tan B means tan theta. So tan of theta plus theta, that means tan of 2 theta, that is equal to tan theta plus tan theta means 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta, tan square theta. Okay. So we are getting this multiple angle from the compound angle actually. It is nothing but the some special form of our compound angle. In case of compound angle, if we put that the both of the angle A and B are the equal, then we got all those formula. From A plus B, we got the 2 theta. Now there are some formula which is called the 3 theta, that is theta is multiplied by 3. Now we are going to establish some problem where the sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And just a minute. Okay, at first we are going for the double, that is second order part. There is another formula that cos of 2 theta was 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Na? So we have to prove this. What was the value of cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is equal to this. It can be written as cos square theta minus sin square theta whole thing by 1. Something by 1 it can be written. So again we can write down that cos square theta minus sin square theta 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Can you write it?
Yes,
So from the upper half, if we take common cos square theta, then it will be given 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta. Now if we take common cos square theta from the denominator, then it will be given that 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. This cos square theta and this cos square theta cut. 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta means tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Is it clear? देखो, is this clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going for another formula, that is sine of 2a, sine 2 theta. Another formula was given that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now we know that sine 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. That can be written that 2 sin theta cos theta whole thing by 1. Now it is 2 sin theta cos theta. 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now dividing the denominator and numerator by cos square theta. Then it will be given that 2 sin theta cos theta whole thing by cos square theta divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta whole thing by. Can I write this? We are dividing numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Then 1 cos theta cut. So it will be given that 2 sin theta by cos theta. And in denominator it is cos square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Now here 2 sin theta by cos theta, that is 2 tan theta by cos square theta cut 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta tan square theta. Is this understood? ये वाला समझ में आया किसी का? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are going for some problem. prove that sine 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta. How we can approach it? So if we start from left hand side, then it is given sine 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So what is the value of sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta. Value of 1 is, we can write down that sin square theta plus cos square theta. And value of cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then it will be coming 2 sin theta cos theta by, here this sin theta cut, so 2 cos square theta. So this 2 cut and 1 cos theta cut, only cos theta is here, is equal to tan theta. Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Next one is prove that cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to tan pi by 4 minus theta. You have to show this. So from left hand side, cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin cos 2 theta means cos theta minus sin square theta. And here 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now value of sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to, it is given that a square minus b square, so upper half can be written that cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta, and lower part is a square plus b square plus 2ab. It can be written that cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Can you write this? So 1 cos theta plus sin theta will be cut. So here it will be given cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Now dividing, taking common cos theta from the numerator, then it will be coming 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. If we take common cos theta from the denominator, then it will be given that 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Then this cos theta cut, so it will be given 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. One can be written that tan 45 degree minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta into 1. It can be written tan 45 degree minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta into tan 45 degree. Now tan 45 degree means
Pi by 4.
180 degree equal to pi. So 45 degree is equal to pi by 4. So tan of pi by 4.
सर
minus-
45 वहाँ कैसे हुआ?
वैल्यू ऑफ 45 1 ना, दिस 1, ये 1 को हम लोग tan 45 लिख सकते हैं, वही लिखा है by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Now what is the formula of tan of a minus b? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So from here we can write down that it is tan of pi by 4 minus theta equal to आया ये समझ में? ऊपर वाला जो न्यूमरेटर में 1 है उसको हम लोग लिखे tan 45, बट नीचे वाला 1 को हम tan 45 नहीं लिखे tan theta 1 plus tan theta एनीथिंग इनटू 1 दैट इज रिमेनिंग सेम, सो tan theta into 1, ये 1 को हम बाद में लिखे हैं tan 45 degree. 45 degree means pi by 4, so we are putting the value of 45 degree in radian, that is tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta. So it can be written as tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta can be is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta. आ रहा है समझ में? Now we are taking another example. Prove that cot theta. So from left hand side, we are starting with left hand side. That is 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta can be written as cos square theta minus sin square theta. So numerator is complete. Now for denominator, this one can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus this sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta minus cos 2 theta can be written as cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now if we write down it, then in upper half it is sin square theta and this sin square theta cut. Here cos square theta plus cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the numerator, and for denominator it is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now this minus cos square theta plus cos square theta cut, so it will be given that if we take common 2 cos theta from the upper half, then it will be given cos theta plus sin theta, and in numerator it will be given that 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now it can be written as upper half was 2 cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta divided by, if we take common 2 sin theta from here, 2 sin theta from here, then it will be coming sin theta plus cos theta. So this and this cut, 2 cut, it will be coming that cos theta by sin theta, that is equal to cot theta. Look at here, is it understood by everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are going for the next problem. Now we are going for the sum multiple angle. Sum multiple angle. And number 1, sin theta. It can be written as sin 2 into theta by 2. Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
So if we take that theta by 2 equal to phi, then it is sin 2 phi. Then sin 2 theta, what is the formula of sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. Is it understood? If we write theta equal to 2 into theta by 2 and taking that theta by 2 as equal to some alpha. Can you go for other sum description? Look at here. Sin theta equal to, it can be written as sin 2 into theta by 2. Let theta by 2 is equal to phi. then sin theta equal to sin 2 phi, isn't it? Theta by 2 equal to phi, so sin theta equal to, here it is 2 into theta by 2. So we are taking that theta by 2 equal to phi, so putting the value of theta by 2 as phi. So sin theta equal to sin 2 phi. So that is sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin phi cos phi. Now putting the value of phi here. Phi means theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So instead of sin theta, can we write down that 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2? This is the formula for submultiple angle. So sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is the formula number 1. Formula number 2, cos theta. Cos theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Just theta is divided by 2, then we can write down this cos theta equal to this. And number 3, tan theta. Tan theta can be written 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. As well as from here we can construct something cos square theta. If we write down that 1 minus sin square theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, then it can be written 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Otherwise, if we write down from here cos theta equal to, from here cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta can be written 1 minus cos square theta by 2. Then it is cos square theta by 2 minus 1 plus cos square theta by 2. Cos square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2, that is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So cos theta can be written in the 3 form. One is cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Otherwise, it can be written that 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Otherwise, these are the 2. It can be written 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Right? So these are called the formula of submultiple angle.
सर पीछे कर सकती है नेक्स्ट स्लाइड
Huh?
वो स्लाइड पीछे कीजिए ना स्नैप ले लगता है ओके सर
There is one problem to that. Root over 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta this is equal to cos theta. 2 cos theta. This is equal to 2 cos theta. Right? So we have to prove this. Root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus 2. This is equal to this. So from the left hand side, we are starting this. That is 2 plus plus so from here we can write down that if we take common 2 from here, then it is 1 plus cos 8 theta root 2 plus root 2 plus root over 2 into it can be written 1 plus cos of 2 into 4 theta. Can you write that? Cos 8 theta equal to cos of 2 into 4 theta. Then the second bracket is closed. Sorry, someone please stop your mute yourself. I think someone is on his journey. One plus cos 2 theta, that means two cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. That means 2 cos square theta. क्योंकि हम लोग को cos 2 थीटा का एक फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ था, cos 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 cos square theta minus 1. If we take this minus 1 into the left hand side, then it is coming 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. है ना? So 2 cos square theta means here it is the 2 theta, so it will be coming theta. That is what is given here, half of that. Here it was given that 8, so half of this. So it can be written as root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 cos square 4 theta. So it will be coming 2 cos 4 theta. Now it is equal to root 2 plus, if we take common 2 from here, then 1 plus cos 4 theta. One plus cos of 2 into 2 theta Then again 1 plus cos 2 theta. That means 2 cos square theta. That is 2 plus root over 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta. Root 2 plus root 4 cos square 2 theta. That is 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta. If we take common 2 again, then it is 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to root 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta is equal to 4 cos square theta is equal to 2 cos theta equal to RHS. Proved. Is this understood? है समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Here just we are using that 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta. We are just putting the value of this. So for today the class is left for only 1 minute. So we are left the class here. So next class, in the next class we will discuss about other thing. Okay, thanks to all of you.
Attendance ले लो।
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
यस सर अटेंडेंस ले लीजिए।
1 मिनट रुको, पार्टिसिपेंट को ऑन कर देते हैं। ले लिया, चलो। Okay, thanks to everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.